Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing Windows 11 so Flutter runs cleanly. Enable developer mode and install all pending updates. Then download the Flutter SDK zip and extract it to C/src/Flutter so paths are short and stable. This avoids permission issues. Once done, add C/src/Flutter/bin to your path and open PowerShell to run Flutter version. This confirms the SDK is accessible. If the command runs, you know the basic environment is working, and you can now you install required tools so Flutter can build apps. First, install Git for Windows and allow using it from the Windows command prompt, because Flutter uses Git internally. Next, install Android Studio, then from SDK Manager get SDK Platform 33 and an Android emulator image. These provide the Android toolchain. Once installed, run Flutter Doctor. It checks for missing pieces and gives commands. Follow those prompts to install or accept licenses so your toolchain is complete. Finish by creating and running a sample app so you validate the whole flow. Flutter create my app, cd my app, then Flutter run. This builds and launches the emulator or connected device, proving success. Make sure to set Android SDK root or Android home environment variables if Flutter Doctor reports an SDK path issue. This ensures tools find the SDK. If things still fail, restart your terminal or PC after path edits and run Flutter Doctor Android licenses to accept required licenses. This resolves most last-mile failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.